Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. So in this Salesforce Flow series, today we are going to learn about how we can post to Chatter using the platform event trigger flow in Salesforce. So in this video, I will be explain how we can automate the process to post to Chatter when any event occurred in our Salesforce org, when any platform event occurred in our Salesforce org, and after that this platform event trigger flow will get execute and it will automate the process to post to Chatter using the Salesforce flow. So in the previous video, I have detailed explained about the platform event trigger flow. In that I have explained what is the platform event, how we can create it, and how we can use the different event in the platform event trigger flow. The video link I have given in description box, you can go through it so that you will be better understand about this post to Chatter using this flow. So first we will understand the scenario, then I will create the flow, and after that I will explain how we can execute this flow in the Salesforce org. For that, watch the video till end and don't miss any step. And if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so whenever you post a new video, you will get an update. Now, before moving ahead, here is very big announcement for the Salesforce Geekers. We recently launched a Salesforce admin training course. In that, we explain every concept in a simple and easy to understand way so you can learn step by step with the confidence. So this course is for beginner to the advanced level. In that we have covered 10 modules. You will get lifetime access. So here you can see, here we have covered 10 modules: introduction to Salesforce, Salesforce navigation and setup. After that, Salesforce user management. Then we also have covered Salesforce apps, object and tabs. After that, the Salesforce fields and formulas, UI customization in Salesforce. After that, Salesforce reports and dashboards, Salesforce data management and Salesforce flows. So in this course, we have covered everything from beginner to the advanced level. So if you are serious about launching your Salesforce career, check out the course now. We have provided the link in the description box. You can go through it. Now let's jump to the topic. Now first, let's understand the use case, and according to that use case, we will create the platform event trigger flow which will automate the process to post to Chatter message in the Salesforce org. Whenever any message is received from the Apex to the platform event, we need to share that message post to Chatter in Salesforce, and this should be happen automatically. So how we can automate this process? We can create platform event trigger flow, then we need to add a platform event in the flow, and after that whenever any message received in the Salesforce, the platform event trigger flow will get execute and that message it will share to the post to Chatter automatically. So in previous example we have seen the platform event is nothing but the custom object. For that we created the custom object. Now in this example we will see how we can create object using the platform event. So for that, without any delay, let's jump to the Salesforce org. Let me navigate back. In the quick find box, search for the platform event. Here you can see under the integration we have platform events. Click on it. Now currently I didn't created any platform events. So for that, here you can see, here we have new platform button. Click on it. So in the label, here I am providing notification. This will be the label for the platform event that we are going to create. So enter the plural label, notifications. So this is going to be same as we create the custom object. Then deployment status deployed, and then click on save. Now here you can see we created the notification as a platform event. Then scroll down. Here you can see, here we have some standard fields. Now we are going to create custom fields for the storing message and then source. So here I am clicking on new button. For the source, here I am selecting text. Then click on next. Provide the label. Here I am providing source. Provide the length. And then click on save. Again click on new. To create the message field, for that select text area long. Click on next. Provide the label message. Field name will be automatically populated, and then click on save. Now here you can see under the custom fields, here we created message and source custom fields, and these fields for the notification platform event object. Now in this way we can create the platform event and the custom fields in the platform event object. So the name of platform event is notification, and then the custom fields that we created, one is for the source and another one is for the message. Now to post any message to the chatter group, first we need to create any new chatter group. For that, click on the app launcher, search for the chatter. Here you can see under the items we have chatter, open it. And now to create new chatter group, here you can see, here we have plus icon, click on it. Provide the name. So for the new group, here I am providing. So for this group, here I am providing platform event notification group. Then here you can provide the description. Here you can see, here you need to select owner. So currently I am the system administrator. So here I am the owner of this group. Then here you can see access type. As you click on it, here you will see two options, public and then private. So this means if you want to make this group as a public, then you can select public, and if you want to make this group as a private, that means the user that you add in this group, only for those users this group will be get accessed. So here I am selecting public and then click on save and next. Now here you can select the photo or icon. It's like a profile photo. As you click on this upload image, you can select the image from your system and then click on next. And now here you can manage the members. So here I am going to add. So here I added. So here I have added these members and then click on done. Now here you can see platform event notification group has been successfully created. Now when we create the platform event trigger flow and to post the message in this group, we need this group ID. For that, here you can see in the URL tab, here I am copying the group ID. And then here I am pasting on the notepad. Now as I scroll down, here you can see in the chatter post, we don't have any post in the platform event notification group. So let me close this. Now let's create the platform event trigger flow to automatically post the message whenever we get from the Apex to the post to chatter. Now for that, here I am clicking on new flow button. Select the start from scratch, click on next. Here we need to select platform event trigger flow launches when the platform event message is received. Then click on create. Now the previous flow we was created for the when the error message is received. After that, to display the error message, we created that flow. And in that flow, in the platform event, we have selected flow execution error event. But now we have created our own event, which is notification. So as I search for notification, here you can see notification __ E. So basically E is the representation of event. So here I am selecting this one and then simply close this. Now when the message received to the event, we need to post that message automatically to the chatter group. So here I am clicking on add element, then select the action element. After that, search for the post to chatter action. Here you can see post to chatter, select it. Provide the label. Here I am providing post to chatter. You can provide label as per your requirement. A panel will be automatically populate. Scroll down and here you can see now set input values for the selected action. Now in the message field, we need to provide source and message from the notification event object. So for that, as you click on this, here you can see scroll down, triggering notification event. As you click on it, here we have message. So here I am selecting this one. So cut this or copy this. So here I have cut this and again triggering notification and again select the source. Now paste the copied message. That means now here we have provided two values. First one is a source and another one is the message. And then in the target name or ID, here we need to provide the ID of group that we created. Now here I am copying the group ID and paste over target name or ID. Here also we can provide the target name, or we also can create the label for the group name and then simply close this. Now we need to save this platform event trigger flow. For that, click on save, provide the label. So here I am providing post to chatter using platform event trigger flow. API name will be automatically populate and then click on save. The flow successfully gets saved. Now how to execute this flow? We can execute this flow when the platform event happen in the Salesforce. So how we can do that? For that, first we need to activate this flow. The flow successfully get activated. Now we need to navigate to the developer console where we can create the Apex code. So for that, here I am clicking on gear icon, then click on developer console. Now here I am opening the anonymous window. For that, here you can see, here we have debug option, click on it and then open execute anonymous window. So here I am closing this because we don't need this code. So in the anonymous window, let me remove this. Now we need the API name of the platform event that we created. For that, here I am opening the Salesforce org. Again in the quick find box, search for the platform events. So here we created the notification as a platform event, which is custom event. Here I am opening this one. And here you can see, here we have API name. Here I am copying the API name. Again open the developer console. So here I am pasting the API name over here and then nt equal to again new notification event and then make it constructor. Now what we did here, we created the instance of notification event. So enter. Now we need to provide source and message for the platform event, which is notification event. For that, nt dot and then API name for the custom fields that we created. For that, again we need to navigate platform event, scroll down. Here you can see API name for the source. Here I am copying this, paste over here, again enter. Copy the API name of message and again nt dot message underscore underscore c equal to. So here for the source, here I am providing platform event trigger flow semicolon, and then for the message this message is generated from notification event and again semicolon. Now to receive this message to the platform event, so here we have one class which is event bus, then enter dot, and then if your connectivity is good or you have some configuration, then you will see all the methods which have in the event bus class. So here I am adding publish open and curly braces and then semicolon, and now we need to publish the event that we created. So here we have nt as an event, which is the instance of notification class, and then paste over here, and that's it. Now before executing this class, so first in the Salesforce Chatter group, so here I am opening the Chatter. Now open the group that we created. For that, click on recent groups, and here you can see platform event notification group. Here I am opening this group, scroll down, and here we don't have any notification or post. Again navigate to developer console, and now here I am executing this Apex code. So for that, click on execute. The flow successfully get executed. Again navigate to the Salesforce Chatter, and now here I am refreshing this page, which is the platform event notification group, and scroll down, and here you can see platform event trigger flow, and this message is generated from the notification event, and in that the platform event trigger flow is the source, and this message is generated from notification event is the message. So in this way, any message is received to the platform event from the any other application or the Salesforce, the platform event trigger flow executed, and whatever the operation we want to perform, we can do using the platform event trigger flow. I hope whatever I have explained, you understood that. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so whenever we post a new video, you will get an update. Thank you.